Welcome to 8018 Tad Street in beautiful Niagara Falls. This 1,400 square foot raised bungalow is immaculately finished from top to bottom. Hi, I'm Gil Bellafleur of the BLT Niagara team at Revel Realty, and this is my newest listing. For more information or to book a private showing, call 905-980-1823 or visit bltniagara.ca.